Guys, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live changes occur in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies, the price changes, what's the changes in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button. I need your support. Please live price changes occur in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the previous last 1 hour. Let's see what change occur in the last hour in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies. As first of all, we look the chart of the Chainlink cryptocurrencies of the last 1 hour. As you can see here, the chart tells us that it is a falling period of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. So they are falls down. As you can see here, that is the top point of Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. So now currently they are falling down because they are falls. As you can see here, they are falling down, and currently they are very badly and very fastly falls down. So it is clear that it's a bad time of Chainlink holders. Now let's see the changes occur in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. The changes is also in negative 0.12% chance occur in the last 1 hour, as you can see here. Now let's see the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrency in the last 1 hour is $27.5 is the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. So that is the live price changes occur in the last 1 hour in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.